My Cash App account is closed. How do I get it back? In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to get back your Cash App account if it has been closed or suspended. To do this, you need access to another Cash App account, which can be your second account or that of a family member. Open the Cash App mobile application and land on the home page. From there, tap the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of the account you're using, as shown here. On this page, there are different sections that allow you to navigate to various areas of the app. Scroll down and make sure you follow each step of this tutorial carefully to avoid making any mistakes. At the bottom of the page, tap on the option labelled Support. Wait for the support page to fully load. On this support page, you'll find different categories. Scroll through and tap the one named Account and Settings. Inside this section, you'll see several support options related to your account. From them, select Accessing your account. You'll be taken to a page with instructions for accessing your account. However, our issue is not with the current account, but with reporting a previously closed account. So now, scroll to the bottom and tap on the Chat option under the Contact Us section. Once the page loads, you'll see a chat box where you're required to explain your issue clearly to the support team. Be sure to include key details such as the $cash tag, phone number, or email address that was linked to the closed account. After writing your message, send it and wait for their response. They will get back to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to get back your Cash App account if it is closed.